Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use ChatGPT on any device, whether it's downloaded or whether you are on the website. It is pretty much kind of the same thing. So here you can ask anything. You can tell GPT to make you something as well. Like for instance, make me a schedule for getting fit this month, or like for my workout plan, getting fit this month, I'll do that. And then ChatGPT will give you a schedule, as you can see. It can also make a printable visual calendar, so you're just going to press yes in case you forget, and then you can even like download the calendar. You can also go to the GPT section here, and for instance, you want to make a prompt on ASMR, you can go here and you can type in ASMR. You can even find like featured topics from this week. So if you'll need a writing assistance, you'll need some help with college and stuff. I did not have this when I was in school, but I guess now you can use these to help you. There is a creative writing coach, etc., etc., a coloring book. But you can just select whichever one you want. Okay, for instance, let's do, which one should I do? Coloring book hero. You're just going to select it, and then you're going to start chat, and then you're going to take any idea and turn it into into whimsical coloring book pages. So create a coloring book based on, no, okay. Create a wisteria coloring book page. I don't know, something like that. I don't have any ideas right now, but that is it. It's going to load for you. You can even search chats, I think, that you had before this as well. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.